dump, 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 dump. Wonder if we have no oncoming traffic. Single lane road, them in a youth. Ooh. Wow. What the rain, you got nice in our yard? Here birds. Good morning team Ismash, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And if you guys never know, yesterday was my birthday. I'm gonna say nothing coming on my PayPal. And nobody I say, yeah, Ismash, go buy a drink, man, go buy a coffee, go buy something. I said nothing. But not even ask the people, but they were near upon this new road. Never did one drive come around here before that road I do. Cause me hear something up here, so I said no sir, not my place this, so just I drive around here. You know? Enjoy what going. Yeah, already, you know, man himself. See what going on. Anyways, the plan for this vlog is to do what's like an off-road excursion today. So we'll just test out the place first. We're gonna try find if we can find more places where can provide us with some terrible roads. So at that place I did come in mind, and then when I drive up here and realize, yo, then fix the place. So we're gonna do some incline, I say I call it, something like almost 10 degrees, 12 degrees, something like that incline. I do both reversing up it and driving up it, and yeah, just have some fun in another vlog here. And that's a go on for what a go on.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You're still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with the sun.
What is this? What is this? From the beast, yo. Can't tell me say this is the sexiest vehicle in a Montego Bay. What do you think, Ryan? Instagram video shoot. When I have my phone for me? Take care. Take some photos of yourself. Like that. Hold on, my phone. Oh, a mall pot. If I did that, if I did curious to what this is. So I do a little photo shoot, and then we get back to a little course. So I'm gonna put it right here. All right. I'm giving it like a slight entertainment. Alright.
What?
You don't look good at all. You just look like you drive on jammy brakes. Alright.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Do it, sir. Do it, sir. You can do it, sir. And fling it, come, sir.
No, that
That
ain't a
look like
horsepower,
so-
that's a donkey
Hear
power.
some-
Here, turbo.
Yeah.
Ah, ah. Damn, Ismash.
So, guys, it's that first place, so we are gonna try do some 4x4. What do I call it now, Red? 4x4 off-roading. No. Don't mind this over here, son. Don't mind this over here, sir. I say we can make it up on the incline there, both front way and also reversing up on it. I don't know. It's kind of steep, but this is what we want. So I'm gonna drive, come up there, and turn on and come back down. So let's see if one capable of that. I'm still. I'm tired. Alright, go back now. I try reverse right there. Think you can make it reverse, you know? You put in a phone, you just start climbing. Okay.
Reverse now. Ready?
man. Hot.
Yeah, me smell it when the first time as soon as I started come up the hill. Maybe when I did in two-wheel drive, put too much strain on the engine.
Yo, I see the gauge, temperature gauge, gone up. What was that? Move on hot. Oh my word. Let me mash up my poor one. See there's some my coolant, this is coolant overflow. Some come out. What the hell? I become have an AC. Oh my word, see my Ismash? I'm not sure about what I'm going, but I guess we're slightly kind of stuck on the hilltop here. Whatever one of these are hitting warm, brother. Let me know. Should you use the AC whilst doing any form of off-roading, especially something like this, like a steep hill like this? Should you run the AC? I know all of my fun them work good, but I'm showing them my gauge. I'm not even about that showing, but my gauge almost there. A blazing heat. This is the dilemma we're in right now. But I feel fly bonnet on the hilltop. But going down should be alright. But coming up, I not bother come up. I go over this, come on. Oh, it's slightly kind of fun. But we have come back down and we have one place for you to go try out. Or they further run on the other side. So just stay tuned. I'm going to wait for 20 minutes or so to see if this can cool down a little bit. And then we'll see if we can, you know, take a walk here. Where did you say it smelly?
Yeah.
God no. I don't see any evidence, but it's a look at hill, brother. Cause me for boil up so. Next time I eat, I turn off the AC. Never not without the AC, you know. So what me learn is that don't, when you go off-roading or go up any steep hill, don't put no extra strain on your engine.
No air conditioning.
No air conditioning, especially if the AC cooling system now work properly. Don't do it. Cause I already know say the brush, the AC fan motor brush in the mines, it kind of go like it move a little bit slow. I don't know if that alone cause everything, but I did have one AC and the van never really like that. Things that get warm. Driving down the hill now and coming around here, so I don't have much of a challenge. I see going back down to regular operating temperature. So I'm glad to nothing happen. I'm going to check my oil and everything in the morning and everything cool down, because I might need a top up because when the engine get warm sometimes it burn out the solvent in the motor oil, you know. So yeah, we're there spot number 2, you may call it, and there's a road close. Enter at your own risk. What do you think?
Sound like something exciting.
It sounds like me just say road open. That's it. Please come in. So we're gonna see what's going on here. So if I really nothing that much, because a government thing, and when government put this up, it literally can mean like water come down sometime, or you know, some little trees, they knock out them trees, a tree fall down around here, or something like that. So we're gonna find out for ourselves and get this vlog rolling. Let's get it.
For myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me through the sun.
You may say, Billy, I'm not scratch up my van again for no vlog. Anybody in the way, shut them down. Yes, yes. So, Team Ismash, we finish the quest. We look at quest CD, you know? Just I do a little vibes, not a little vlog here. Hope you enjoy a little off-road shenanigans. Me and Orion, you know? Young boss there. The video man, camera guy, whatever you want to call him. And we are see you out. Team Ismash. Thanks for watching this vlog. If you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. As you can see, thing only I get better and better and better. There's no such thing as going backwards, but frontwards. Anyways, thanks for watching this vlog, Team Ismash. Truly appreciate you guys. I'm out.